Welcome to Rustic Christmas Tree Decorating Ideas. In this video, we'll explore how to create a cozy, charming tree using natural elements, rustic accents, and a warm, earthy color palette. Let's dive in. Start with a burlap ribbon. Its textured, natural look perfectly complements rustic decoration. Wrap it around your tree in loose loops or zigzag patterns, pairing it with soft, twinkling lights for a warm, rustic feel. Add natural elements like pine cones and red berries. Hang pine cones from tree branches or place them in clusters along the tree. The rustic, earthy tones of pine cones work beautifully with the festive pop of red berries. Wooden ornaments are a must for a rustic tree. Choose simple shapes like stars, hearts, or reindeer to add a handcrafted feel. These natural textures blend seamlessly with the organic theme. Handcrafted decorations, like felt snowflakes or knitted garlands, bring a personal touch to your tree. These handmade pieces add warmth and character, making your tree truly one of a kind. Incorporate red and green accents. Red plaid ribbons, velvet bows, and green garlands tie the rustic theme together. These classic holiday colors work beautifully in a warm, rustic design. Don't forget the tree skirt. A burlap tree skirt with lace trim or a simple woolen cloth will add an extra rustic touch at the base of the tree. It's the perfect finishing touch to complete the cozy look. String lights are essential for setting the mood. Soft white lights cast a warm, inviting glow across the branches, giving your tree that perfect rustic charm. Avoid overly bright or colorful lights for a more subdued effect. Vintage glass ornaments in muted tones like gold, silver, or antique bronze add sophistication and depth to the rustic theme. Their reflective quality catches the light beautifully, enhancing the overall ambience. Add dried fruit like orange and lemon slices. These natural, colorful accents not only add visual interest, but also a lovely scent. They fit perfectly into the rustic style, giving your tree a farm-fresh feel. Bring nature into your decorations with twigs and small branches. These can be used as ornaments or placed around the tree for added texture and depth. They enhance the natural, earthy vibe of your rustic tree. Top off your tree with a rustic star. Choose one made from distressed wood, or even a metal star wrapped in twine. It adds the perfect finishing touch to your rustic Christmas tree. Bundle cinnamon sticks with twine and hang them from the branches. Not only do they add a rustic look, but they also give off a wonderful fragrance that's perfect for the holiday season. Use a warm, earthy color palette. Rich tones like deep green, burgundy brown, and gold work beautifully together. These colors evoke a cozy, nostalgic atmosphere, perfect for a rustic Christmas vibe. And there you have it, a rustic Christmas tree that feels like a winter wonderland. By using natural materials, warm colors, and personal touches, you can create a festive tree that brings rustic charm to your home this holiday season.